Noticing a lot of unwanted content popping up on your Instagram feed? Yeah, that can get annoying. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust your content preferences on Instagram so your feed shows more of what you care about and less of what you don't. Let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now tap the three lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Content Preferences. Here you'll find options like Sensitive Content Control, Political Content, Interested or Not Interested, Specific Words and Phrases. From here, you change your content preference. After that, when you see a post if you don't like, tap the three dots on the post. Select Not Interested. This helps Instagram show you better content over time. The more you interact with content you enjoy, the better Instagram will understand your preferences. And that's all for today. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you at the next one, guys.